In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Now I'm using the extension, but you can use your phone. And inside of here, what you have to do is simply find the crypto you want to buy. If you don't see it in here, you can press manage crypto and there will be tons others and you can search for them. Once you found the one you want to buy, simply click on it and inside of here, you will be able to do it. So Ethereum is a little different than the others. So let's do Bitcoin. So press on Bitcoin and press buy, and this will let you buy it directly from the site. So press the buy and it will open up a payment processor and you can buy it directly from there. Now for Ethereum, you need to get started here. So press this to get started, and that's basically how it works. There's tons of other ones that you can do. XRP, you can buy it here, and that's basically how it works. Now there'll also be a buy and sell here that you can use. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.